So we know eucalyptus, it's very good for opening the pores. It's very good against oil. It's very healing. It cleans out the sinuses. It's very good for your chest. It's very good for croup and all that kind of thing. It cleans the air. It's very good for all of that. It really is all good for all of that. And it is actually highly antibacterial, and it is it's one of the best fighters against certain viruses. It helps your body fight a virus. So yeah, so eucalyptus is very widely used and awesome, but must be used with caution, must be understood before you overuse it. Okay, so this one is lovely. What I like to do with eucalyptus is to burn it in the winter in my house, because it does clear the air and clean the air. Viruses and things hang around in the air, they do. And if you're using essential oils often, you will find that you will actually, your people in your home will get less ill. So don't stop using eucalyptus, but just know how you are using eucalyptus.